So anything over 100 miles an hour or 50 miles above the speed limit, it's a misdemeanor. Okay? You understand that, right?
So what does that mean?
On the 12th of July, 2025, a Florida officer stopped a driver doing 117 miles per hour. This encounter activates 3 legally significant frameworks. First, the speed threshold most drivers don't know. Under Florida statute section 316.183 and section 316.192, driving at 100 miles per hour or more, or 50 miles per hour above the posted speed limit, creates the factual predicate for a misdemeanor arrest. This is not a citation. It is an arrest. The driver exceeded both thresholds simultaneously. Either one alone authorized the handcuffs. Second, the racing statute and passenger liability. Florida statute section 316.191 covers exhibition of speed and racing on public streets. Under subsection 2B, any person who participates in, aids, or abets a race including as a passenger may be charged. The officer's statement that everybody in the car for racing goes to jail was a legally accurate description of that statute's maximum scope. The passenger's liberty in this case depended entirely on which statute the officer chose to apply.
Five 8-1. Copy, 10 minutes. Southbound 19, Seville. Seville, Florida tag, Charlie Yankee, Charlie Adam Robert Ocean, CYCAR. It's gonna be a white Dodge Challenger.
Incident assigned.
Need a license?
Do you want to just stay here?
Let me get your license first, okay? So I'm off to your H, by the way. I'm off to your H, by the way. The reason I'm stopping you. You know how fast you're going there on 18? What's that? You know how fast? You want me to tell you how fast you're going? You're 117. 117. Why are you going so fast? Do me a favor, pull up into the Congo River parking lot there. Hey, one, can I get one more? Can I get one more? I'll be in the Congo River parking lot. You have the registration and insurance for the vehicle? Okay. You still living in Newport Richard there?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, just take out, I'll be right back with you. How about I talk to you? You got shoes? This fucking relax. Can you take this off? How old are you? Okay. Oh,
If I drop my phone.
you won't get all that stuff, okay? We'll walk over here, okay? The reason why you're in handcuffs right now is because, like I told you, you're doing 117.
Yeah, I literally never go that fast. I have 0 speeding tickets.
At 117 miles an hour. Do you
It's
know
a
they
fast car.
Right. Do you know they just passed a new law, right?
No, I'm not aware.
Okay. So anything over 100 miles an hour or 50 miles above the speed limit, it's a misdemeanor. Okay? You understand that, right?
So what does that mean?
You're being arrested for your speed limit. Okay? Alright? It's not a joke, okay? 117, you're passing that car, you're in the far left lane, it's better on that car at 117 miles an hour.
Sorry.
Just because you're having fun.
Alright, I understand.
Okay?
Wait, why is he being arrested?
We'll get everything squared away, okay?
Oh, did they leave the car on?
What should I have? The keys in there?
I don't know.
Is it, whose car is
I
it?
think it is.
It's your car, right?
Yeah, it's my car.
Okay.
Should be in there.
Alright, is there anything on you? Because I'm going to have a female officer come search you.
Okay.
There's nothing on you?
No, I would prefer
Alright,
to have
so
my
who is
phone
that to you?
That's my husband.
That's your husband. Alright, did he tell you to slow down, or?
Yeah.
He did?
I mean,
It's not,
yeah,
it's not,
It's fast.
okay? There's not a place to do it, right? If you want to go that fast, there's a racetrack for that kind of stuff. Okay?
Yeah, we know.
Because what you're doing is it's racing too, okay? It's considered racing. You're at exhibition of a speed, all right?
Sorry, I really wasn't aware. I literally never go fast.
Okay.
And then happened.
All right, well, just hang tight.
Right.
We're
Wait, I
gonna
have a question.
What
Why
is
is he getting arrested?
Because everybody in the car for racing, it goes to jail, okay? I'm gonna go talk to him here in a second. But that's how it is. It doesn't matter. People can they be sitting on the side of the street watching racing. They can go to jail, okay?
But are we like actually going to jail, or is it like
Yes.
bond out type of situation?
No, you're going to jail, okay? Just hang tight. I'll come back and talk to you in a second.
Third, officer discretion in charge selection, the most instructive element of this case. The officer announced on camera that he was charging the dangerous speed statute, not the racing statute. That single decision eliminated the passenger's exposure entirely. The same conduct, the same car, the same speed, two fundamentally different outcomes based exclusively on which statute the officer chose. The charging decision is one of the least understood powers in law enforcement. It determines who goes to jail, what penalties apply, and what follows a person on their record. The stop was grounded in the officer's direct observation of 117 miles per hour, a complete Fourth Amendment basis, under Delaware v. Prouse, 1979. The driver's statement that she literally never goes fast was made during a non-custodial roadside encounter under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, admissible without Miranda advisement. Prior clean record is relevant to sentencing and plea negotiations, but does not negate any element of the offense. Miranda was correctly read after the formal arrest decision and before any custodial questioning. The subject was arrested for misdemeanor reckless driving under Florida sections 316.1, 9, 2, and 316.18, 3. A citation was also issued. First offense. Reckless driving in Florida carries up to 90 days in county jail and a fine of up to $500. The racing statute, if applied, would have carried the same misdemeanor classification, but with the additional consequence of subjecting the passenger to arrest. The officer's decision not to apply it, documented on camera with stated reasoning, reflects proportionate enforcement and appropriate prosecutorial restraint.
Officer Tabacota Police Department. I'm here just to conduct your search, okay? Do you mind stepping out for me? Have you faced the vehicle and take a step away from the car? And widen your stance for me? Okay, perfect. Anything on your person? No bad. Alright, I give everybody this discretion, okay? So don't take it personally. Anything on you at all whatsoever. Okay, any introduction of contraband into the jail is an additional felony, and I'll be happy to charge you with it if they find anything, so that's why we like to give everybody that heads up, okay? Alright, let's see.
I'm just going to read you something real quick. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questions of your race. You can cite anytime. Exercise these rights. Not answering the questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained? Is it a verbal yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So, like I explained to him, because you guys got dogs at home, and he's got a license, he's a registered, I'm gonna let him take the car home, okay? So you guys can, so he can take care of the dog, okay? That's not the place to do it, okay? Because if somebody pulled out in front of you or something like that, at that speed, you can really hurt somebody really bad, okay? I don't think you want that under conscience, right? Right? No? It's you, okay?
No, I don't.
Okay. You seem like a good person. I think you just made a bad choice today. Okay. Like I said, they just passed this new law. We're not playing around with the speeds anymore, okay? Like I said, anything over 100 miles an hour, or anything 50 miles above the posted speed limit, okay? You're looking at jail time, okay? So, I gotta do some paperwork. You're gonna get a citation for me. I'm not going to do the racing statute. I'm just going to do the dangerous speed statute. Okay? The 1 over 100 miles per hour, 50 miles above the posted speed limit. If I decided to do the racing charge, I could take both of you to jail. Okay? But I'm not doing that. Right? Where were you guys coming from?
My house.
Your house? Where were you guys headed to?
We're trying to buy something on Facebook Marketplace, so we're heading towards his house in Florida.
Down in Largo? You're going to get a ticket today, okay? Hopefully this will be your last one, alright? Alright? You have any questions for me?
Yeah, you want us to relocate her to actually target over here?
No, I'll just pull down
over here.
Yeah, just pull down.
Alright.
Like I said, you're going to get a citation. I'm going to put your ID back in here, okay?
And have the phone number in there?
Yeah, it's with the phone number.
Right. And do I get that when I get there?
Yeah, just let them know you have a phone number. They should give it to you. Or they might let you write it down. I don't know how it works when you get down there. But you'll have your ID come in this envelope too, okay? You have any other questions for it?
You got all switched up. Pre-staging did not do well.
Yeah.
Right.
Case resolution is unknown. All suspects are presumed innocent. Officers receive an A, a rare grade in this series. The legal explanation on camera was precise and plain. The charging decision was proportionate and clearly reasoned on camera. Miranda timing was correct. The practical accommodation for the household was above and beyond and well documented. No deductions. The subject receives a C+. 117 miles per hour on a public highway is misdemeanor territory because it is genuinely dangerous. Clean record, cooperative, remorseful, all noted and relevant to what comes next in court. The subject receives a C+. 117 miles per hour on a public highway is a misdemeanor because it creates a serious risk of injury or death to other drivers. The officer's point about a car pulling out in front of her at that speed is not rhetorical, it is the reason the statute exists. No prior violations, full cooperation, and visible remorse are all mitigating factors that will matter in court. But the offense was committed, the threshold was clear, and the law applied regardless of intent or prior record. 3 lessons. 1. In Florida, driving at 100 miles per hour or more, or 50 MPH, above the posted speed limit, is a misdemeanor arrest under sections 316.183 and 316.192. Clean record does not prevent the handcuffs. 2. Florida's racing statute under section 316.191 can reach passengers who aid or abet the conduct. The statute's scope is broader than most people realize, and the passenger's fate in this case depended on the officer's charging choice. 3. The officer's choice of statute, not just the conduct itself, determines criminal exposure for everyone in the vehicle. The same speed becomes a different legal outcome depending on which law is applied. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.